Good morning, students. In my last video, we have discussed about the cytoplasm, cell membrane, plasma membrane. Now we are going to discuss about the next important topic, that is named as cell organelles. Those organs which are present inside the cell are known as cell organelles. Generally, they all are present in the cytoplasm. So, my first cell organelles which we are discussing is the endoplasmic reticulum. There are many more. So, one by one we are going to discuss. So, first is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is found in living cells except in prokaryotics. Prokaryotic cells, they are not present in prokaryotes, only present in eukaryotes. So what is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum? It is shortly denoted by ER. It is shortly denoted by capital E, capital R. Okay. Structure consists of a large network of membrane bound tubes. It is formed by three forms present between plasma membrane and nucleus. It is having three terms, that is cistern, vesicles and tubules. Cistern are broad, flat and elongated parallel sacs. Vesicles are the spherical in shape and tubules are branch-like structures, branch-like spaces present in between them. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. First is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the surface is smooth because of absence of ribosomes. If ribosomes are absent, then the surface is smooth. Ribosomes are the dot-like structures. These dots are known as ribosomes. If to the double membrane some ribosomes are present, then it is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. And if to the double membrane no any ribosome, on the downside you can see there is no ribosome present on this membrane, hence this is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So two types of reticulum: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is not having ribosomes, but rough endoplasmic reticulum having ribosomes on their surface. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum involved in the lipid and steroid synthesis. But rough endoplasmic reticulums are found in those cells which are engaged in the protein synthesis. Okay, it is very importantly involved in the protein synthesis. Next is what is the function of endoplasmic reticulum. Both rough and smooth have different functions. I am here writing the collective functions. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in transport of materials. It helps, that is a rough endoplasmic reticulum provides space for the protein synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum involves in synthesis of fat molecule. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. It helps in conversion of glycogen into glucose. Okay. So what is the difference between smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum? It does not bear ribosomes, but rough endoplasmic reticulum have ribosomes. It consists of tubules and vesicles. It consists of cistern and tubules. It mainly serves to synthesis of glycogen and lipids, but rough endoplasmic reticulum in the synthesis of proteins and enzymes. It is not attached to nuclear membrane, it is attached to nuclear membrane. This is the difference between smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. The next organelle is the Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus. It is the same name, Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. It is a complex of vesicles and tubes. It is a complex of vesicles and tubes. It is the main factory of assembling cell. Assembling means to connect all the parts of cell. To connect, it is the use to assemble. Okay, it was first discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. What is the structure of Golgi bodies? It is having a membrane bound vesicles. It is having membrane bound vesicles and tubules which are connected to endoplasmic reticulum. It is having two phase, one is convex phase and other is the concave phase. Convex phase is generally known as cis phase and concave phase is known as the trans phase. The convex phase is characterized by the presence of small transition vesicles, and the concave phase is associated with large vesicles which give rise to lysosomes. Okay, so it is the structure of Golgi bodies which are having cisternae. Okay, these are the double membrane called cisternae. In endoplasmic reticulum also cisternae are there. The double layered membrane is known as cisternae. The convex phase, this is the convex phase, okay, which you are saying. But if this term is there, this is known as the concave phase. Okay, so you have to understand about the convex and concave phase. Convex is the lower bottom terms and concave is the upper terms. Okay, so this is known as the convex phase and concave phase. What are the functions of Golgi bodies? Very important function is it helps in the formation of lysosomes. Second, it helps in assembling and packing using endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes, and it helps to prepare complex sugar from the simple sugars. So now we are discussing about what are lysosomes. These are the single walled spherical vessels which contains various enzymes. These are present in all living animal cells except bacteria. Lysosomes are present in animal cell except bacteria. What is the structure? They are single membrane bound vesicles, contains digestive enzymes. This is the very important term. Note down, digestive enzyme, to digest every substance. Okay, this is known as the digestive enzyme. What we eat, to digest, some enzymes are released. So to digest all these, digestive enzymes are released. These are released by the lysosomes. The main function of lysosome is the digestion of material that enters into cell. Lysosomes keep the cell clean by destroying all organelles, all old, all injured, all or you can say the weak organelles. Lysosomes keep the cell clean by destroying all old, injured or ruptured organelles named as phagocytosis. They are also known as suicidal bags because any cellular disturbance will lead to burst of the lysosomes causing death of cell. So it is known as the suicidal bags. What is the suicide? It is present inside the cell, and during release of some chemicals, during release of enzymes present in the lysosomes, when it bursts, the whole cell gets destroyed, causes death of cell. So lysosomes are known as suicidal bags. So it is about today's topic, so please note down. all these organelles. Now I am giving you a hint how you can remember and learn. The first organelle is the endoplasmic reticulum. You have to just think about what it is having. It is having a large network of membrane tubes known as cistern, vesicles and tubules. Only this line. What is their types? They are of two types, smooth endoplasmic and rough endoplasmic. Smooth is having absence of ribosomes involved in lipid and steroid synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum are presence of ribosomes and helps in protein synthesis. Okay, and last is the functions. You can learn any two functions. Okay, so it helps to transport the material inside the cell, and rough endoplasmic reticulum provides space to ribosomes for protein synthesis. So two can be learned. Similarly, in the Golgi bodies, it is a complex of vesicles and tubes. It is having two phases, convex phase and concave phase. Convex phase is having presence of small transition vesicles. Concave phase is associated with large vesicles. Then what are the functions? It helps in formation of lysosomes and helps in assembling and packaging. Okay, so two functions of this can be learned. So remember, to every organelle, what is this, what is the structure, types if having, and then only two functions. So I hope you can understand and prepare your notes. Thanks and have a